Morning everyone. Amazon package, link in the description of course, so you can check it out, maybe buy it for yourself. Very good packaging, it's all sealed, glued. I don't think I need a knife, you just do that and very easy. Good packaging. Alright, POCO F4 GT, sorry for that. It's a golden box, golden carbon, which we will like. 5G connectivity will vary based on local opportunity. My English. 5G connectivity will vary based on local operator compatibilities. So all depends on your 12 GB of RAM, 156 GB of ROM, stealth black. Factory sealed. Let's open it. Well, that was immense satisfaction. I like the design of the box. It's matte finish. Let's open it. Nice. Well, I think there could be a cover inside, and it is. Yeah, very nice of them. Now, some manuals. Another manual. Another one. What is that? A dongle. Should you need one? I don't think so. Maybe you should. I don't know. That's the cover. Which I like. They include the cover. It's free. Okay, what do we have on the smartphone? Flagship 4nm Snapdragon 8 Gen 1. Liquid cool technology, 120 Hz flat AMOLED display, 480 Hz touch sample rate, magnetic pop-up trigger, quad speakers, quad Dolby Atmos, and 120 watts charging. That's the capacity of the battery. Feels light compared to different smartphones. What else do we have in the box? Wow! Check that out. 120 watt charger, which is fantastic, and I think it looks exactly like from the Xiaomi, because it is Xiaomi brand. That's you will also get that charger with the latest Xiaomi 12 Pro. Okay, what else do we have here? Wow, I didn't see that in a while in any smartphone headphones. Regular one with the 3.5mm jack. That's something. And cable, which looks really nice. Like a package, like an Apple product. Like it's a side cable, because it will let you get play and charge at the same time. That's why it's sideways. Alright, there's that. Let's unbox the device. Well, unwrap. Wow, satisfaction. Whoa, it's so cold. It's all metal. Very nice. Alright, let me just put that plastic aside. Let's put a box and everything aside. Presentation. And there it is. Side buttons. Oh, they're clicky. So you have to release them. Check it out. Let me just show you this in close up. Come on, focus. Focus on the switch. It feels a little bit loose. Anyway, gaming. Oh. How do I use it like that? Because playing like a phone, no. Maybe like I don't know. Not really a gamer, but those are those buttons. Power button. Quad speakers should be good. I think that, and microphone, so you can control your TV or something. SIM card tray. Volume button. Mic. Well, it says it's mic. You see, that's super cool. USB Type-C and another speaker and the microphone. Of course, the front-facing camera. Cameras. This smartphone will be more like for gaming. Photo and video department. The autofocus still locked. All right, and there it is. And for me, it's like too much colors. Well, it's just it's killing with the colors. Too much colors, my friend. Let me just. Is this 120 hertz? I think it is. I'm recording with 30, so sorry for that. But this is just an unboxing video. If we go to the display, it's also a dark mode, brightness level. Okay, why is that here? Reading mode, shuffle mode, color, refresh rate, default or custom. I want to do 120 all the time. Text size, I'm always going a little bit lower. When device in VR, auto rotate the screen, of course, for screen display, and so on, so forth. All right, there are some updates up there, so we do it. Wallpaper, let me change it for something less colorful. Pre-installed. Maybe this one. Yeah, let's do this one. I like this one better. Well, still, it's like super. It's like candy colorful. I don't know. Not my kind of thing. Yeah. Flat screen, which is really nice. Example. This is maximum volume. Alright, let me tell you, sound wise, I know there's a quad speakers, but I don't like it. There's a bit of bloatware here, Amazon, which is good, not a bloatware. Link in the description, so check it out. Soon I'll make a full review, and yeah, subscribe, like, link in the description, check it out. Thanks for watching, see you next video, bye. A little bit of video and photo for you. So also I will probably put something in the description of this video. Well, something, it means original samples to download. So yeah, have fun with them. But bear in mind, copyright. Not try to upload them somewhere on the internet, because they all mine. That's what it is. Bye. I'm not joking.